Okay, we had sirens going off earlier. We're looking at part of the southwestern part of the storm right now. Very nice looking storm. We're still keeping our eye on it right now. We are under a tornado warning at this time. We're in western. There goes the sirens. We are in western Johnson County right now, looking, looks like towards the Douglas County area, the southwestern part of the storm cell. Getting a little bit of rain right now, but mainly rain-free. I'm sure that'll change. Looking at very interesting cloud formation there. Possibly a wall cloud. The actual rotation as reported on radar, sighted on radars to the northwest of this. We're getting very, very strong winds at this time. Okay, we're still looking at that. We're viewing a possible funnel cloud. Very, very windy right now. Sirens are sounding, and we're gonna continue to be